been eating you while you fall asleep.
Ah, don't shoot me. I'm a good robot.
Yes, I could bring you coffee. I could do anything for you.
A good robot? There's no good robots around here. You're out of here, robot.
No, please. I could do anything for you. Anything at your house.
Anything? Can you clean my toilets?
Yes.
Oh, good. Well, then you're hired.
Yay!
Hey guys, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel by clicking that red subscribe button.
It's Tubby Toys.
Hey guys, it's Tiffany from Tubby Toys. Today we are going to build some really cool Lego Movie 2 sets. We have Unikitty's Sweetest Friends Ever set to open up and to build with you guys. But the first one we're going to do is this really cool polybag called Lucy versus Alien Invader. We hope you like our little skit in the beginning. Make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so you can see what the conclusion was between Lucy and the Alien Invader. This is a 44-piece set. It's for ages 6 and up, and you can buy it at Target, Walmart, Lego store, anywhere Lego is sold. Let's get started. Let me know in the comments below if you're super excited for Lego Movie 2. Stay tuned to more Lego Movie 2 movie builds that we have for our channel. Let's get started and build this cool set. Here we have Lucy. She has her goggles on. She's got a fierce face because she's fighting that alien. So now that we have her built, let's build that alien and they can have an epic battle. Wow, Lucy's happy now because this robot's gonna clean her toilets.
And it could do anything because I programmed it to do anything that people say and want.
That's right. I'm gonna clean her toilets. Let's move on to the Unikitty's Sweetest Friends Ever. This is a 76-piece build for Lego Movie 2, and it's for ages 5 and up, number 70822.
have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Ah.